Everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve this word problem that involves simultaneous equation. Alright? So, there are some steps that we could actually follow to solve simultaneous equations on word problems. Well, usually we would want to define some variables. In this case here, we will have x and y to denote the two unknowns. Then we can form a pair of simultaneous equations using the information given. Then we solve it and answer the word problem. So in this case here, we have the sum of two numbers is 87. So that is the first piece of information here, sum. Sum means plus. We also are given another piece of information. The difference between the two numbers is 39. So later on, you will then see Mr. Tan forming a pair of simultaneous equation. One will be plus, the other will be minus. And it will be good if we could let people know what are the variables here. So I'm going to let the smaller number be x and the bigger number be y because there are two numbers. Let's see. So y plus x equals 87. That's my first equation. The sum is 87. The difference, that means y minus x, is equals to 39. Right? So the difference is 39, the sum is 87. So this will be my second equation. And now we can solve it already, right? I saw that the coefficient of x and y are the same. So in this case here, I would like to give it a little bit of thinking. For my y, where I have my first equation, y, and my second equation, what should I do? So if I were to think a little bit, should I plus or should I minus the equation? So using the y and the y in the second equation, what must I do such that they will be equal to 0? Yes, I'm going to minus them. Okay, so that's the first thing that comes into Mr. Tan's mind. And therefore, for here you can then see Mr. Tan having the equation 1 minusing equation 2. Okay, so I will have my x positive minusing my negative x in my second equation. Okay, negative, and this will be equals to my 87 from the first equation minusing my 39 from the second equation. And we can proceed to solve this already because x minus negative x is the same as x plus x. This will give me 2x. 87 minus 39 will be equals to 48. So my x is simply 48 divided by 2, 24. Done. Now for my y. So all we have to do is to just substitute into either equation 1 or 2. It does not matter. So looking at this, Mr. Tang is going to substitute into equation 1. And that's what Mr. Tang is going to do. Substitute x equals 24 into equation 1. And equation 1, I have y plus x equals 87. And I know my x. X is 24. Meaning, I'm not going to write x anymore. I'm going to write it as 24, and it is positive. So from here, I could then minus 24 on both sides. So my y is equals to 87 minus 24 to give a final answer of 63. Last but not least, let's do a quick check. By substituting the value of y and x into equation 2. Okay, so y is 63 minus my x is 24. And let's see, what value does this give me? Oh, it gives me 39. That means my answer is correct. Okay, with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.